This is a look at protests that happened here in Atlanta as people all across the nation took part in ongoing demonstrations yesterday against the Trump administration. Our crew saw groups at the state capitol and around Piedmont Park. Some of the people we spoke to said that they're protesting federal funding cuts, recent deportations, and what they call threats to democracy. Meanwhile, another big topic in politics this morning is a temporary restraining order that's allowing students whose visas were revoked from being deported. But now the question is, what can happen next as they wait in limbo? 11 Alive's Karis Belger spoke with the local immigration attorney to get some answers.
Time is ticking by for student visa holders across the country, including here in Georgia, as they wait to learn if they'll be forced to leave the U.S.
These students are attending top universities in the United States and in Georgia.
Samantha Hamilton is a lawyer with Asian Americans Advancing Justice Atlanta. She says her colleagues have been receiving calls from students for weeks,
telling us that they had received this strange message from their university telling them that their CVIS record had been terminated,
putting their F1 student visas at risk. Some of them now, she says, are clients of the Cook-Baxter immigration firm, which filed a federal lawsuit against Immigration and Customs Enforcement, the Department of Homeland Security, and the Department of Justice earlier this month.
People have, had to cancel marriage plans. People are becoming fearful about, potential job offers.
As they wait for a reprieve, a temporary pause came late Friday when a federal judge temporarily blocked the deportation of international students with revoked visas. Page 8 of the ruling states the defendant's termination of the CVIS registration exceeds the bounds of statutory and regulatory authority and is therefore unlawful.
But it's a very temporary form of relief. A temporary restraining order lasts only 14 days.
As the fates of over 133 people remain stalled.
We hope that the court will issue a more permanent form of relief.
In Atlanta, Karis Belger, 11 Alive News.
A judge could decide whether to restore the visa status of those students as soon as this week. The next hearing is scheduled for April 24th.